Here's a test you can do at home. Take any part from your car, throw it in the air. If it comes back down, it's too fucking heavy. Performance is all about power to weight. Sure, you can make enough horsepower to send your house into the sevens, but that's expensive and hell on your drivetrain. Reducing mass is the same as adding horsepower. The rule of thumb is that for the average street car, 100 pounds is worth a tenth of a second in the quarter mile. A tenth of a second is a car length. When we started building this thing, we took all of the undercoating, dirt, and seam sealer that was under it, weighed it out, 103 pounds. We kept this one all steel with real glass because it lives outside, but it's still under 2,000 pounds ready to run. Nothing is lighter than a hole. I like to drill them in everything. Study the function of every part and remove any excess metal that's just along for the ride. We pulled 6 pounds out of these door hinges alone. Here's one of the features Chrysler used on the factory Hemi Darts, a simple strap to raise and lower the window. It saves about 12 pounds per door. Back during the match bash days, Dick Landy used to keep a kid hanging around his tent with a file, and his job was to just go around the car and take grams off between rounds. Going through the car and replacing all of the bolts at once just long enough to do the job can really add up. You only need as much engagement as the diameter of the bolt. Keep all of your wiring, hoses, and lines as short as possible. If you could do without it, leave it out. Every car and every purpose is different, and that purpose is what dictates what stays or goes. Just be creative and be relentless. Thinking light has some side benefits too. You can use lighter drivetrain components, and that means less parasitic losses. This 7 1/4 with its welded spider gears wouldn't make it through the burnout in a heavier car. In this, it's good to go. Light is right. And before you go anywhere, hit that fucking subscribe button. Chicks love guys who subscribe to Uncle Tony's Garage. God will love you even more.